Bro, your channel's flatlining, views tanked, subs ghosting, comments drier than toast. I've been there, but guess what? YouTube ain't a graveyard. It's a comeback arena. Let's zap your channel back to life before the algorithm writes its obituary. First, diagnose the corpse. Here's how you know it's dying. Your last 10 videos got fewer views than your weird cousin's TikTok rants. Old hits are rotting in the suggested graveyard. YouTube treats your uploads like spam. If this is you, stop posting. Seriously, you're digging the hole deeper. Step 1. The channel Autopsy Go to Studio. Check your last 5 videos. If CTR click-through rate is below 3%, your thumbnails suck. If watch time's under 2 minutes, your hooks are weaker than a decaf espresso. Step 2. Keyword CPR. Your old videos are poisoning your channel. Example. If you switch from gaming to self-improvement, YouTube's confused. Fix it. Privatize irrelevant videos. For keepers, re-optimize titles/descriptions with ChatGPT. Prompt. Make this title viral. Your lame title. Copy-paste. Done. Step 3. Steal thumbnails legally. Open YouTube. Search your niche. Filter by most viewed. Screenshot the top 10 thumbnails. Mimic the colors/fonts. Use Canva. No excuses. Step 4. The 30-day reboot. Forget consistency. Be a machine. For 30 days, post 2 long-form videos/week, Tuesday and Friday. Drop 3 shorts/week. Clip highlights from long vids. 0 days off. YouTube rewards robots, not inspiration. The secret sauce. Algorithm hack shorts are defibrillators. Use them to jumpstart dead subs. Repurpose old content with CapCut. Add text, trending audio, comment baiting. End videos with comment revive if you want part 2. Engagement equals algorithm crack. Look, your channel isn't dead, it's dormant. But if you hit upload one more time without fixing this, RIP. Smash subscribe. Why? Because next week, I'm dropping exactly new gems. Your comeback story starts here. Stay hungry. Stop sucking. Let's go.